guys, good afternoon. Andito tayo sa Pacific Village guys, dito sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. A-attend kami ng birthday party ng pamangkin ni Mike. Medyo late na nga kami guys kasi alas 2 yung usapan, naligaw kami. Lumampas kami, napunta kami sa SM Dasma. And naipit pa kami sa traffic. Hindi pa naman nagsisimula, ay hindi ko alam kung nagsimula na yung party. Kasi parang nagsisidatingan pa rin yung mga bisita eh. Nauna ng mga kasama ko, iniwanan ako. Yan. Mamaya na lang ulit ako magbibideo guys kasi iniwanan na ako. Laylayo ko na. May swimming pool din dito guys eh. Check natin. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Kasi dati napuntahan na namin to. Birthday din ng pamangkin na yun ni Mike. Kalimitan kasi dito sila nagse-celebrate. Mamaya na guys kasi may mga batang naliligo. Update ko kayo mamaya. Hello.
Basta tama na ganito yan eh. Excuse po.
Sige, daan lang.
Video mo lang.
Kakaumpisa lang ng program guys. And dito ako sa labas, nag-CR kasi ako. Tutur ko kayo dito sa labas guys. Maganda to, may swimming pool dito. Kaya lang may mga naliligo. Switch ko yung camera ko. And dyan kami guys. Thank you.
Alright, so good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, and of course, we are actually extremely delighted that all of you are here to celebrate this important milestone in the Celebrant's life. So I'll be your host for this afternoon. My name is Host Jen, the celebrity and the legal host from behind the mic Philippines. Isa na po pala rin sa Mahiyawan. Mahina po. Ang sabi po sa mga parents ng ating ng ating birthday girl, kapag hindi daw po kayo nag-respond accordingly, hindi daw po kayo kakain. Alright, so if I say hap-hap, you will say?
Hala!
Kumain na po ba?
Nakalakad pa. Nakalakad.
Okay, if I say hap-hap, you will say? Ayan. Alright, so let's test this area if you guys are really... How about the kids here? Hap-hap! Alright, so that is actually the energy that we're looking for this afternoon because of course, we are celebrating a very important day for our baby girl. Alright, and of course, now, without further ado, tayo po tayong lahat. Ayan. Tayo po muna tayong lahat. And, of course, welcome.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Hello, Aunties. Good day and salamat sa pag-ibig sa amin dito. And masasabi ko lang sa iyo, you're so sweet.
Ayun, sweet. Thank you so much.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you know.
Hi guys, what's up? Andito ako sa labas ngayon guys, nagtatampo. Sige. Joke lang guys. Lumabas muna ako guys kasi nilalabig ako eh. Aircon kasi doon sa loob, yung naka-sleeveless ako. Kung kailan naman bumabagyo, saka naman ako nag-sleeveless. Masak na ulit sunod. Hindi pa rin tapos yung guys, event. Nagma-magic tricks pa doon sa loob. Hindi na ako nanood kasi sobrang lamig na kasi aircon. Allergy ako sa aircon. Nangangati ako. Ayun. Actually guys, yung pinakita ko lang yung hindi naman buong event ang pinakita ko kasi meron silang sariling photographer. Pasilip-silip lang ako kasi may mga music din. Tulad nito, may music. sa background ko. Nagba-magic tricks yun ngayon guys. Sana hindi na naman tayo makapirate. And meron pala akong nakuha guys. What ah? Bibigay ko sa pamangkin. Pumasok ulit si Mike sa loob. Bibigay ko sa pamangkin ko kapag nagpunta siya sa office. Anyway, update ko na lang kayo later. Tatambay-tambay muna ako dito. Pati ng ano ko, paa. Pulang-pula. Later na lang ulit guys.
Alright, so kids, can I request for you guys to sit down, yeah? Behave lang ang mga kids natin. You guys sit down. Let's just watch Candice perform. Ayan. Thank you so much again. Let's give a big round of applause to Candice.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show
kailangan po masaya tayo kasi we are celebrating Candice's birthday today. In 3, 2, 1, cheers for you, everybody! Yung mas malakas! Isa pa yung may kasama ang palakpak! Happy birthday to you! Close your eyes and make a wish. Close your eyes, baby Candice. Make a wish, and then after making a wish, go ahead and blow your birthday cake candle. Alright, welcome po natin si Candice! Alright, and with that,
What's up guys? Gabi na. Dito pa rin kami. Pero pauwi na guys. Nagbababay-babay na lang. Atol kanina pa yung tapos ang party. Kaya lang, ang pamamaalam sa isa't isa ang matagal. Ay! Wala na yun! Ay, nalaglag yung alak.